So we got Kevin here helping us out with his wing. So all this stuff takes so much time. He figured, oh, let me come down and help you out. So he brought all the nuts and bolts that we need to mount the wing. Where'd you get this wing from? What's the name of the place?
Andrew Richards Components.
Andrew Richards Components. So we'll show you how we're doing it as we go along. All right, so now he's doing that.
Okay.
All right, so the door's on. We take this off. The wing is going to be one tape that width in. On the inside of this, there was a lip. All right, so this lip was in here like that. So we took the lip off. Now we'll be able to put two holes in here, put two Zeus fasteners in that. So the wing fits real nice. You'll see it in a second. We got it where it fits beautiful. Kevin's doing a great job with it.
Got it all assembled now. Somewhat. Still got to put the.
If you guys plan on put one of these on, make sure you got a lot of time on your hands. So now that's going to go like that. It's going to go right to that line. Right?
Yep.
You're right on the line?
Yeah.
All right, Josh, you got to hang the camera up because we're going to make some holes. I'm going to start with this side. Hold your end up. Don't move. I'm going to line it up. And I'm going to
make sure this is down.
Yeah, just make sure that is flat down as far as it goes.
Right there.
And then don't move. You are right on the money. Right there. Right there, like that. And then tilt it up a hair. Right, stop. Right there. Don't move. Okay? Nobody move.
Does it matter if there's a... I don't know. It's
Well, well, you gotta remember, you gotta push that corner down as far as it goes, right?
I got you. I forgot that this...
Don't start no trouble.
Wait, that lined up now?
Yeah, good. Don't move.
Yep.
I'm gonna do one.
I got this. Just make sure it don't slide around.
I know. I want to see where I'm gonna put one. Oh shit!
I shit myself.
You gotta do that.
I was gonna say, with the way you're going, then I wouldn't be surprised. The head, the finger.
Oh. Look what they're doing to me! They're killing me!
Whacked his head. Oh, that was on Matt's car.
I got a surcharge on, blood charge on that one, blood charge on this one. Alright, let go of this. I want him to come and see this. You go hold his side. Right? Hold it back. I'm going to put one here and one here. Or do you want one on the you tell me. I think, whoop, I think right there.
Yeah, so then that'll hold that little lip in some more.
Yeah, like that. So, over here. Oh yeah!
I'm still just upset. I thought the car was supposed to be orange.
It will be. Give it time. It'll turn on. You put it out in the sun.
Yeah, right?
It's a pumpkin. It's green right now,
It's
bro.
green now. Yeah, there you go.
Until I'm blue in the face.
It's gotta go out in the sun a little
Yeah,
bit, you know?
Alright, you good? Now you gotta go. Make sure you push
I
that.
have a chameleon color. When
Push the corner down.
I got it. When you get it wet, it turns a different
Tap
color.
the back.
And
Tap the back. Tap harder.
Give it a love tap.
A little more. Come on.
I'm gonna stab my handbag
Alright,
here.
that's good. Now tilt it. Nope, no, I'm right there. Don't move. That look right?
Starting now. Looks good now.
How you let go? Yeah, buddy. That looks good. I think it looks good. All right. I think it looks good. Make sure it looks straight.
A little late for that, but
Man, John Force better watch out now.
That's right.
look at that.
That looks good. And that
And then we'll get all the. Then we'll get our hinges for this made up now.
this way. Yeah, now
Now
the
the fun.
crazy part is trying to get these little hinges to mount.
That
to
looks
the back.
sweet on there.
It does look good.
All right.
So what we decided to do was we got it on, right, on the sides. We got Zeus fastener plates. I just got done. We had this up here like this, right? So it's gonna stay just like that. We're gonna Zeus fasten this to the trunk. So I just made that like that and tacked it in place, okay? And then I'll bolt this to the trunk lid because I can bolt it here, right? So we'll clamp them on where it's gonna stay,
And then we can Zeus
and then we
fasten
can
them
Zeus fasten that on.
from the top.
From the top, then we'll Zeus fasten that on. So I got one, and then I'm gonna space them out. I'm gonna have four, and they'll sit nice and flush, just like that.
Okay.
All right. So now I gotta make 3 more like this.
And now we can make them on the bench.
Now
We got a template.
because tacking it, I had tape all around trying to tack it because I don't want to burn nothing. All right. So and then we'll just make wherever the hole ends up. We'll probably end up like right here. 1, 2,
Yep.
3, 4, just like that, and it'll all.
Hold it.
Because this thing, it goes a little bit like that, a little bit like that. Sucks, but whatever. It is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. That's the way they make them. And then we got to mount the struts. Well, let me make this first. So this is what I'm doing. Taking 2 of these like this. I'm basically buttoning them up together to make that angle like that. I'm gonna just
Fold it right to it. Yeah.
yeah, they gotta be the same angle. All right, so that's what we're doing.
Weld them up.
I need you to tack this.
Okay, we're welding these plates up now. We tacked them all. Now we could just welding them, and then we'll clean them all up. We'll put them all on. We're gonna drill out the little holes a little bigger, and so we can put the nuts and bolts on the one side of the trunk. Okay. Here's Kevin. Just pulled up. Okay. Sweet. Alright, so we got these 2 Zeus fasteners on the side. So we'll do the same thing over here. We'll kind of show you guys that. A lot of drilling and then taking it off and drill more holes. And Kevin's working on that door. He's got this one done. Got the mirrors on it.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Looking like a car
Real
now.
nice now.
You got door handles?
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's gonna go like that.
See. All right, let me help you hold on one more. All right, we got all these marked out.
He went to get longer. We're gonna put a little nut and bolt on there. So he went to get some longer ones. So these I was able to clamp with the clamp. These they're too far up, so we marked them. So we're gonna
It's
take our
getting windy
time.
out there.
We're gonna take our time. Watch out. We're gonna take our time and make sure these come out nice and flush. We marked them number 2, number 3, number 2, number 3, number 3, like that.
And then we're gonna Zeus fasten it to the top of the wing.
Knock that one out.
Alright.
Alright, so we got the wing back off. We got all those holes made for the brackets. Josh just finished painting them up so we could put them on. Kevin went to get some new button head bolts, number 10s. We're gonna bolt those little plates on. We're gonna bolt those little strut rod supports on. Got all the holes made for that. Number 10 also. And when he gets back,
Should have showed you
We'll
how
bump
hard
it.
it was raining.
man, yeah, it was pouring. So we're gonna get them on. We're gonna put some paint around the holes where we drilled through the paint. Should be good to go. Put the wing back on, and we'll make the holes for the Zeus fasteners on the top of it.
Gotta make another. That one's good.
Yeah, but we don't know. Close enough.
Poor thing's gonna need a bath again. Gosh. Take it back off again.
Take it off again. Blow it all off.
You got the. Hang on, I'll get the air truck.
Yeah, right. Getting some tail light action going now. The wing's all ready to go. We're gonna put the tail lights on it. Get them buttoned up, and then once the wing's back on, we'll put the struts at the right length. Make the pins fit them, and then we're done. All right, so now we're hooking up the rods on the top. He's reaming the hole out a little bit. The powder coating is interfering a little bit with the bolt. And once we got the length, we're gonna tape them up, and then we gotta drill a little hole in for the pin that holds them in place.
I need another.
What do you need? One more?
Yeah, another bolt. Alright. This is the last time it's going on.
So we ended up with Zeus fasteners. I think it works real nice with that. So
Kevin's coming to pick it up today. It's nice out.
he was just till about 8 last night.
Yep. Just wiped it all
Need
down.
the tubes up.
Alright, so these we gotta.
So now,
You gotta put them like to the back on the bumper and kind of like.
what do you got numbered? You got a number
Pin 'em.
P1, passenger 1,
Yeah.
passenger 2.
Yep.
What do you got?
That's how he numbered them, yeah.
Well, which one goes where?
Well, the one with no writing on it goes on the
On this far side.
excuse me, all the way on the other side.
All right, let's put these on, and then we'll see what it looks like when I
Push it outside.
All right. Got it all back together. Got all the little strut bars in here. Looks good. All right. Just waiting for him to come and get it. All right. Get a look at it outside in the sun after it rained. Looks good. The wing came out nice. All right. What do you think, boys? Good?
Good.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Now you got to put a motor in it and get it running. All right, gang. It's all done. What's it called? Mint green?
Yeah.
And what are you calling it, or you don't know yet?
I don't know yet.
Now, when he gives a name out and then we'll figure it out, I'll let you guys know what he. Nerve damage was the last thing I heard.
Yeah.
All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Thanks for watching.